Managing users in the system is very straightforward. Right over here in the left-hand menu, click on Users, and it will show you all the users that you have in your organization. You can see here that our first user that we had in was Mary Cratchit. That's who I'm logged into right now. And you'll see that she's an organization level user. But then right here we have a standard user, and that's generally the user type that you will create is just a standard user. The organization level account is just to manage the organization. After that, you create standard level users for the other people in your organization. So you see now in this particular account, they have a total of 55 seats, and two of them are used, and so they have a total of 53 seats available. You can click here to manage seats if you need to add or reduce the amount of seats that you have down. To add a user, you simply go ahead and click on the blue Add User button and go ahead and put in their name. I'm going to put Sample Acme User 2, and I will go ahead and put in some sample data here. Sample Acme User 2. And then you'll want to put in whatever their phone number is, because they're going to be able to use this particular phone number. They can change it later, but they'll need to be able to use this to go ahead and verify their phone number, so they'll be able to get text messages about reminders about certifications and stuff that are expiring. But I'm just going to go ahead and put a sample number in here right now. Oh, just a moment. And then you'll see it'll default to your organization and default to a standard level user. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in a password for them. And then this will default to active, but make sure that it's active. If you need to suspend a person, all you have to do is actually uncheck that box when you're editing them to go ahead and make them inactive. But all right, once we got all that information in, we just click Create User. And now we have our user created right here, and we're in the user screen right here. We go ahead and see all the information about the user. And if we come over here, we can now see here's our new Sample Acme User 2. Bob Smith, standard, he's active, and we've used 3 now of our 55 available seats. So that's how you go ahead and add users and manage them. If I needed to then suspend Bob, I would actually come in here, click Active, and click Save Changes, and now Bob is no longer available. I come back and you'll see now Bob is inactive, and now I'm back to using only 2 of my 55 seats. So that is how you manage users in the system. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks.